Hello everyone, welcome to my studio. I am Lisa and I am so glad you're here with me today on my YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, I hope you will do so by clicking that red button and also the bell for notification of any upcoming videos. As some of you probably know, I haven't posted for a little while because I have been working on something very special. I have been creating a Patreon site. And for anyone that doesn't know about Patreon, it is a monthly or annual art membership that I have created where I offer several different tiers that you can choose from and customize it to exactly what you are needing for your art journey. Since we aren't as likely to be able to meet for in-person workshops due to a lot of the great unpleasantness that has been going on, we're not sure about how many in-person workshops and how much travel we will be able to do. So this monthly or annual art membership has been a great way to continue your learning and painting together with me. We have monthly art challenges. I do special product and book reviews and very fun and interesting art-related posts for you each month. And just bring new things to you that I hope you will find interesting and fun and to keep you painting. And once you join the Patreon, from most of the tiers, you will be invited to join our private Facebook group. And that's where we post all of our paintings and the art challenges. I am in certain tiers or levels. I offer critiques of your work and even one-to-one mentorships, a very private one-to-one mentorship between you and myself throughout the year. I will still be doing YouTube videos, but probably not as in-depth as the videos that I am doing exclusively for my patrons on Patreon. The exclusive videos and art tutorials that I do for my patrons are not shown on my YouTube channel. They are completely private for the people who sign up for my Patreon tiers. I work in both oil and acrylics. I do oil and cold wax medium and also acrylic and mixed media on canvas and paper. So each month I will be working in either one or the other and sometimes posting videos for both according to what I am doing. And I wanted to give you a little sneak peek at a few of the paintings that I have done as art demos for my amazing patrons. This is an acrylic on canvas. It is a 24 by 24, and my patrons get to follow me from the very beginning of starting a painting like this all the way through to putting on the finishing touches. This piece is a 12 by 12 oil and cold wax medium on cradled panel with some beautiful mark making and color. This is an oil and cold wax piece, again on cradled panel, and I have used some pigment sticks, some powdered pigment, and a lot of fun things that I did in this piece for my patrons exclusively. So if you would be interested in taking a look at the different tiers, which start at only $3 a month and go up in price, as well as they increase in all of the benefits that you receive each month for every tier. But go onto my Patreon site. I will leave the link below and just check it out. If you have any questions that you would like to speak with me about before joining, please send me an email. Be happy to hear from you. And I would love to have you join us on Patreon. We're having a lot of fun, and it is a way for us to have continued learning throughout the year, with lots of interaction and ways for you and I to stay connected through our painting. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you again soon. Let's paint together in the new year.